Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we decode those dusty corporate filings to find the hidden gems. Today we are diving into Waterstone Financial Incorporated SWATBF's latest report, and let's just say they are sending out a little something that might make some investors perk up their ears. So, what is the big news from Waterstone Financial Incorporated SWATBF? Well, it's not some earth-shattering announcement of a merger or a huge restructuring. Instead, on the 23rd of September of 2025, the big bosses, the board of directors, gave the thumbs up to something that shareholders always love to see: a regular quarterly dividend. Think of it as a little thank you cash payment from the company to its owners, the people who own its stock. This filing of Form 8K is basically an announcement of important events that happen between the bigger, more detailed reports they file. And in this case, the important event is that little dividend declaration. It is a sign that the company is doing well enough to share some of its profits. Now, who owns a piece of Waterstone Financial Incorporated SWATBF? Well, common stockholders. These are the folks whose shares are traded on the NASD AQ stock market LLC under the ticker symbol WSBF. So if you've got WSBF in your portfolio, this is for you. They've attached a press release with all the official details. This news release is pretty straightforward. It just states that the board declared the dividend. There aren't a ton of intricate financial details in this specific filing because the dividend announcement itself is the main event here. However, the fact that they are continuing to pay a regular dividend is a positive signal about the company's financial health and its confidence in future earnings. It suggests that their operations are stable and generating enough cash flow to distribute to shareholders. When a company declares a regular dividend, it typically means they've got a steady stream of income and they are comfortable allocating some of that cash back to the people who invested in them. It's a way to reward investors and make the stock more attractive. It is not a guarantee of future performance, of course, but it is a good sign that management is optimistic about the business. Looking at the leadership, William F. Bruss, the Chief Executive Officer, has signed off on this report. This confirms that the company's top executive is aware of and approving this dividend declaration. It is standard procedure, but it adds a layer of official confirmation to the announcement. So, what does this all mean for Waterstone Financial Incorporated SWATBF and its investors? Well, the story here is one of stability and shareholder return. In the world of corporate finance, sometimes the most important news isn't a dramatic shift, but a confirmation that things are going as expected and that the company is committed to rewarding its investors. This dividend declaration suggests that Waterstone Financial Incorporated SWATBF is on solid ground. They are not just growing, but they are also taking care of their shareholders. It is a classic sign of a mature, confident company. Now, while this particular filing is light on deep financial tables, the fact that a regular dividend is being paid implies that the underlying financials are strong. We can infer that the company is generating consistent profits and has sufficient cash reserves. A company wouldn't continue to pay dividends if it was struggling financially. This keeps their stock appealing to income-focused investors. Looking ahead, this move positions Waterstone Financial Incorporated SWATBF as a potentially attractive investment not just for growth but also for income. It signals a management team that understands the importance of returning value to shareholders, which can be a critical factor in maintaining investor confidence, especially in uncertain economic times. The company seems to be focused on a strategy of consistent operational performance and shareholder returns, rather than chasing risky, high-growth ventures. In conclusion, Waterstone Financial Incorporated SWATBF is sending a clear message with this filing. They are financially stable and committed to their shareholders. While this report doesn't break down new financial figures, the dividend speaks volumes about their current financial health and their forward-looking confidence. It's a green light for investors looking for steady returns within the financial sector. Alright, that is our quick decode of Waterstone Financial Incorporated SWATBF's latest move. What is your take on this dividend announcement? Does it make you more interested in WSBF? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Corporate Decoder for more straight-talking financial insights. And don't forget to join our Discord community, linked in the description for more discussions and analysis. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.